Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making dill pickle chicken wings in our air fryer. For that, I'm going to start off and need about 3 stalks or sections of cilantro, 3 of fresh dill, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, and the dill pickle juice from 1 pickle jar. Well, and chicken wings, about 2 pounds. And I've gone ahead and mixed our herbs, pickle juice, and garlic into a bag with our chicken wings, and this is going to marinate overnight. Okay, I have combined about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of crushed pepper, black pepper, about a tablespoon of garlic and onion salt each, or powder, about a teaspoon of baking powder, and a tablespoon of cornstarch into our dish. Okay, we took our chicken wings out of their marinade, patted them dry. If any of the herbs, as you can see, were left, we put them in the bowl. I'm going to be taking our olive oil seasoning mixture, which I'll have all the right ingredients in the description, and pouring it into the chicken wings. I'll cover that back up, give it a good shake so it coats everything, and I'll be right back. Once those are coated, taking the bowl, chicken wings, spreading it out into the air fryer. And my chicken wings will be going into the air fryer at 375 for the next 30 minutes. I'm going to be turning those halfway through. While the chicken wings are cooking up, I'm going to be combining about a tablespoon of pickle juice, another tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 stalks of our fresh dill weed. When they're done, they'll look beautifully toasted / cooked like this. Putting that mixture over them, giving them a good toss. Then the best part's here. I'm trying them out. Alright, it is time to try out these beautiful chicken wings. And we're going to be dipping them in some of that Pickle Dill Ranch that I made on Friday. So, let's do it. Well, I'm going to have to say these are some of the best wings I've ever made. I can only think of one batch I liked a little more. These wings have a lovely seasoning on them. Not too much, not too little. The fact that they brined in pickle juice gives them that pickle flavor that everybody likes, and a salty flavor is maybe the only downside, but not much. And of course, chicken wings, really hard to beat those, and these are exceptionally delicious. Had one wing with the ranch and one without it, and both were amazing. These would be great for any party, dinner time, easy snack, big game comes. So if you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, have a comment, have a thought, leave me a like, leave me a comment about it, and I will see you in our next video.